plus x square plus 1. Now it is clear, board? Okay, okay. X raised to 4 plus x square plus 1. Let us complete 21 fast and complete this 5c. So x raised to 4 plus x square plus 1. I have written x raised to 4 as x square square plus x square plus 1. X raised to 4 I have written x square square. Power raised to power, we multiply the powers. Then next step, I have taken x square as a. So put x square is equal to a. So I have written this x square as a. So this becomes a square plus a plus 1. Yes, a square plus a. Wait. Yes, I am doing only that only. A square plus a plus 1. Then previous method, I have completed the quadratic. So I have add and subtract 1 by 4. No, are you getting? We have added and subtract 1 by 4. Now in this method, what I will do? Instead of adding 1 by 4 and subtracting 1 by 4, this a I will split. This I will write a square plus 2a plus 1 minus a. What is 2a minus a? What is 2a minus a? Yes, it is a. So this plus a I have written plus 2a minus a. Plus 2a minus a I have written. Yes. Not understood. Okay. A square plus a plus 1. This a I have written plus 2a and minus a. This a I have written plus 2a and minus a. Plus 2a minus a is a. So that a square plus 2a plus 1 I can write a plus 1 whole square. Yes or no? A square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square. And minus a I can write root a square. A I can write root a square. Understood? Yes. This plus a I have written plus 2a minus a. So that when you take these three terms together, this becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab, b is my 1. 2a1 plus 1 square. This is nothing but a plus b whole square. And this a I can write root a square. This a I can write, this I can write root a square. Yes. Now this is my x, and because this first three terms are square, no. So that last term also I have to write in terms of square. So a I can write root a square. So this becomes x square minus y square. Yes, use the formula x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y into yes. No. See, directly you can understand, but in this way it becomes easy to understand. If I will directly write this as 2x square, yes. So this becomes x plus y into x minus y. So that becomes a plus 1 plus root a into a plus 1 minus root a. X plus y into x minus y. X is my a plus 1. Now put the value of a. So put a is equal to x. Put a is equal to x square. So this becomes x square plus 1 plus root of x square into x square plus 1 minus root of x square. A is x square. So this becomes x square plus 1 plus root of x square is x. X square plus 1 minus x. And this is my, yes, this is my answer. So, yes. No, don't simplify further. This is the answer. Yes. Yes. हाँ. Yes, wait. Which one? X square and x you cannot add. Yes. हाँ. हाँ हाँ. No. That I have underlined for your understanding. That a square plus 2a plus 1, I can write a plus 1 whole square. You don't have to underline. Which part you don't understand? Ask. Which one? This one. This one. Okay. Don't worry. See, this step a square plus 2a into 1 plus 1 I can write 1 square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a square plus 2ab plus b square? That is nothing but a plus b whole square. Yes? Understood? हाँ. अरे 1 square I have written 1 only. No, 1 means it is 1 square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. 1 I have not shown. 1 I have not shown. That means it is 2ab. हाँ. Which part? Right one. This side. Yes. This side. Now put the value of a. A is x square, so that becomes x square plus 1 plus root of x square. X square plus 1 minus root of x square. Root of x square is x. So x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x. This is the answer. Root of x square. Root of x square is x. That is already we have taken x square as a, no? So that at the end I will substitute this value. I will replace a by x square because my original variable is x square. You cannot add x square and x. Yes. Now 27 we have done. Yes. Let us do 28. 28. No, 27 I did, no? Okay, chalo. 27 x square. Yes, that is what I am telling you. So why they left 28? You see the video. See the video. 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1. Factorize this. 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1. So 21 we have solved by using a substitution method. So 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1. Yes, sorry. 4x square I can write 2x whole square. 2x whole square plus again 4x square I can write 2x whole square plus 1 I can write 2 into this 1. Wait. 2 minus 1 plus 1 I can write 2 minus 1. So this step I can write 2x whole square plus 2 I will take 2 into 2x into 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 2x whole square 1 upon 2x whole square minus 1. Now let us take the first three terms, that is a square plus this 2 I have written 2 into 2x into 2x get cancelled. Okay. 2x yes, nobody will present. Because see, we have split this 1 so that this 2 is the middle term, no? 2x and 1 upon 2x whole square, 2 is the middle term. So this 1 I will write plus 2 minus 1 so that 2 I can take. Now this 2 I can write 2 into 2x into 2x. 2x get cancelled. What is left? 2 is left. So this first term. Yes, nobody will present. Yes, nobody will present. Please, already the notice regarding discipline has been circulated. Strict action will be initiated. So 2x, this I can write 2x plus 1 upon 2x whole square. 2x plus 1 upon 2x whole square minus 1 I can write minus 1 square. Yes, because 1 upon 2x square, 1 upon 4x square. What is 4? 4 is square of 2 and x square is square of x. Yes. So now this is my A and this is my B. This 2 I have written 2 into 2x into 2x. This 2x is my A and this 2x is my B. So 2 into A into B. A square plus 2 into A into B plus B. No, I have not gone 2. See this 2, I have written 2 into 2x into 2x. So this is of the form, this entire expression is of the form A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square I can write A plus B whole square. So now this bracket is my A and 1 I can write 1 square. So A square minus B square. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Where? Second step, this 2 is my middle term. And how we have got 2? 2 I have written 2 into A, 2x into B, 1 upon 2x. 2x get cancelled. What is left? 2 is left. So this 2 is my middle term. So this entire expression, first 3 term I can write A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. So now this is A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B. So 2x plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1. Yes, this is the answer. Yes. So you have to identify the type, whether it is A plus B whole square or A minus B whole square. Then middle term is 1, that you can write plus 2 minus 1. So that adjustment you have to do, so that it can be converted in the form of A square minus B square or A plus B whole square or A minus B whole square. Yes, x and x can be added because they are same variable as Yes, Chris Parmar, mute the microphone. Yes. Now 29 and 30. 4x raised to 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. 4x raised to 4. 4x raised to 4 minus, now these 3 terms I will take together, x square. When I will take minus common, then minus become plus 12x and minus become plus 36. This 4x raised to 4 I can write 2x square. All of you agree? Yes? 4x raised to 4 I can write 2 square, x raised to 4 I can write x square. then minus x square, this 12x, wait, 12x I can write 2 into x into 6 plus 36 I can write 6 square. So this is nothing but 2x square minus, this is my a square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square, x plus 6 whole square. Now again, this is of the type, this is my bracket times a and this is b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this becomes 2x square plus x plus 6 into 2x square minus x minus 6. All of you agree? A square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. All of you agree? Yes. Where there? X square plus 4x raised to 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. Now again, no. See, again this is the quadratic. Again this is the quadratic. Again this is the quadratic. So you have to find two numbers. This first one, find two numbers whose addition is plus 1 and multiplication is 2 into 6, 12. In this, find two numbers whose addition is minus 1 and multiplication is 2 into minus 6 minus 12. So is the yes, minus x minus 6, minus x minus 6. No, see, 4 and 3, no, 4 and 3 you cannot take, because now there you can take 4 plus 4 and minus 3. What about second part? Can you factorize? Two numbers. No, for this there will be different. This there will be different. This that minus 4 minus x minus 6 I have taken as it is. No, addition is minus 1 and multiplication is 2 into minus 6 minus 12. Above step, minus x plus 6, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a minus b, open the bracket, minus x minus 6. So this I will write 2x square, this I will write 2x square plus 4x minus 3x plus 6 plus 4 and minus 3 add, you will get plus 1. When you will multiply, no, see, this will not be the answer. See, wait, plus 3 and minus, you are telling me plus 4 and minus 3, no. See, their addition will be plus 1, but what about multiplication? No, multiplication will be minus 12, but you want multiplication as, see, plus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, no, you want multiplication plus 12, but we are getting minus 12, so this is factorization is not possible here. Factorization, factorize two number, find two number whose sum is plus 1, multiplication is plus 12, 2 into 6 plus 12. So what are two number whose addition is plus 1, multiplication is minus, multiplication is plus 12? Yes, we cannot find, because even if, even if you find 4 and minus 3, when you will add, you will get plus 1. This condition satisfied, but this condition does not satisfy. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, but we want plus 12. So I cannot take 4 and minus 3. What about this? Find two number whose addition is -1, multiplication is -12. Yes. Yes. Now, yes. Now, wait. Now there I can take -4 and 3. Now here I can take -4 and 3. -4 plus 3 is -1, and -4 into 3 is -12. So there I can take, but here I cannot take. That condition must be satisfied. So first I will keep as it is 2x square plus x plus 6. I will keep as it is, and second I will write 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. So first I will keep as it is 2x square plus x plus 6. Now this 2x is common, so what is left? X minus 2 plus 3 is common, x minus 2. X minus 2 is common, so this is 2x square plus x plus 6. Then what is common? X minus 2 is common, so what is left? 2x plus 3 is left, and this is the answer. So first one I cannot factorize. First one is not factorizable, but x minus 2, okay. Yes. See how x minus 2 has come. X minus 2 is common, no? There. X minus 2 is common. That I am taking outside. So what is left? 2x plus 3 is left. Because in these two I have done the grouping, no? These two I have grouped, these two I have grouped. 2x is common. 2x is common, so what is left? X minus 2 is left. Then 3x minus 6, 3 is common. What is left? X minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 common. Understood? Okay. Now 30, a square into b plus c minus b plus c cube. Now this I am planning to give homework, because you take b plus c common. You take b plus c common. You take b plus c common. Yes. You take b plus c common. Then what is left? A square minus b plus c whole square is left. You take b plus c common. Take b plus c common. Now this is my type x square minus y square. X square minus y square. Yes. X square yes. X square minus y square. X square minus y square. So this is my b plus c is common. Then b plus c cube. But what I have done, from this b plus c cube, one b plus c I have taken common. From this b plus c is common, b plus c is common. So when one b plus c I have taken outside, inside it will be b plus c square. Are you getting? One b plus c I have taken out. Now x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So this I can write a is x square minus y square. So this is a plus b plus c into a minus b plus c. How a square will come? X square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So this is my b plus c. This is my b plus c into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c, and this is the final answer. B plus c into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. This is the final answer. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X square. Next exercise, phi d for exercise phi d, you require the you require the formula. Which formulas are used in this phi d? That I am listing first. Formula we have first AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. AQ plus BQ is A plus B. If it is AQ plus BQ, we have A plus B, and then we have A plus B, then instead of plus, I will have minus A square minus AB plus B square. Then second, AQ minus BQ. AQ minus BQ is A minus B. This we have already seen in the expansion. A square plus AB plus B square. Only you have to remember that whenever it is plus, it will be minus. Whenever it is minus, it is plus along with AB. Along with AB, in the second bracket, the sign changes. If it is plus, it will be minus. It will be minus, it is plus. So based on these two formulas is our next exercise phi d. So factorize first AQ minus 27. AQ minus 27, no, it is there, no. It is there in the linear equation. AQ minus 27, this I can write, yes, AQ minus 3Q. So now this is of the form AQ minus BQ. So that will be A minus B into A square plus AB 3A plus B square, that is 9. And this is the answer. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. 3 square is 9. This is the answer. Yes. This phi d, actually phi d, I should solve only one problem. Yes. Second is 1 minus, एक minute, let me explain. AQ minus 27, I can write 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. So AQ minus 3 cube. Now this is of the form AQ minus BQ. AQ minus BQ is A minus B. So A minus 3 into A square plus A into B. So A into 3 is 3A plus A into B plus B square. B is nothing but my 3. So 3 square is 9. This is the answer. 1 minus 8A cube. 1 I can write 1 cube. 8A cube. 8 I can write 2A whole cube. 2 cube is 8. Then A cube. So A cube minus B cube. So A cube minus B cube is A minus B, 1 minus 2A into 1 square plus 1 into 2A plus 2A square. We use the formula A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So that becomes 1 minus 2A. No, 1 into 2A, 1 into 2A. A into B I have written. 1 square is 1, 1 into 2A is 2A, 2A square is 4A square. It is plus A into B. Plus A into B. Then all are based on same A cube minus B cube or A cube plus B cube formula. So third will be homework. Wait. Now it is coming clear. In the mobile it is coming clear. Yes, it is very much clear. Now third one, 64 minus A cube B cube. 64 minus A cube B cube. 64 you can write 4 cube, and A cube B cube you can write AB whole cube. So again it is A cube minus B cube. So that becomes 4 minus AB, A minus B into A square, 4 square plus 4 into AB plus AB whole square. So that becomes 4 minus AB into 4 square 16 plus 4AB plus A square B square, and this is the answer. So it's complete. AB whole square you can directly write A square B square, no problem. So now it is 10:30. Yes, we stop here. See, those who have attended this period, see whether without forget you have to write your division and roll number in the chat box. That will be considered as attendance. Yes, now we are having one more period, 6th period. Yes. Now we stop here. Bye. Yes. Bye everybody, bye.